In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and import presets in Lightroom Classic. Presets are saved collections of developed settings that speed up your editing by applying a look in one click. To get started, open Lightroom Classic and make sure you're working in the Develop module with a photo selected. This matters because Lightroom often won't allow preset imports unless a photo is loaded. If you're unsure, press the D key on your keyboard or click Develop at the top to switch modules. On the left side of the Develop workspace, find the Presets panel just below the navigator. If you don't see the list of preset groups, it may be collapsed. Click the small triangle next to Presets to expand it so the panel is visible and ready to use. Now look to the top right corner of that Presets panel for the plus icon. Click it and choose Import Presets from the menu. This opens a file dialog where you'll point Lightroom to the preset files you downloaded. Most modern presets come as .xmp files, and many creators also provide a zipped preset pack. Lightroom Classic can import both, so you can select individual .xmp files or select the .zip file directly. If you downloaded several presets, you can select multiple files at once. Navigate to the folder where your downloads are stored, often the Downloads folder, unless you chose a different location. Select the files and click Import. Lightroom will process the files and add them to your Presets panel. By default, new presets appear in the User Presets group. If the creator included a folder structure inside the preset pack, Lightroom will respect that and create custom groups with those names. This makes it easier to keep different sets organized and quickly find the look you want. If you don't see the new presets immediately, make sure the Presets panel is still expanded and scroll through the list. Some groups can be collapsed inside the panel. If import seems disabled or nothing imports, double-check that you're in the Develop module with a photo selected, then try again. Also, imported presets might take a moment to appear, especially with large packs. That's all there is to it. Open Lightroom Classic, switch to Develop with a photo loaded, expand the Presets panel, click the plus icon, choose Import Presets, select your .xmp files or zipped pack, and let Lightroom place them into User Presets or their custom groups. With your presets imported, you'll be ready to speed up your workflow and keep a consistent style across your edits.